Alright people, I'm looking at our moon again tonight. It looks orange. I've seen it switch out again. Look people, look. Something is really going on with our moon. Oh my goodness, it just turned red. Our moon is tripping, y'all. It just turned red, and it's, watch it up there. Look, there's 2 planets there. Oh, Nikki, stop! Damn it, look! Pay attention.
I'm not paying attention.
Sorry, people, my niece came up and scared the hell out of me, as always. I'm recording live. Nikki, come watch this moon. It just turned red. Look at it now. Look, 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 look. I don't know if this is getting it clearly. Look, Nikki. Oh my God, people. Oh my God, people. Get your cameras, and there's another moon behind it. Look. Do you see that?
Yeah. It's pretty.
It is pretty, but it's really scary. Oh my goodness, look at it.
I'll be back.
Go get go get me Nikki's phone, please, so I can record it better, please. People, there's something going on. This is not our moon. Something is going on, I'm telling you. I saw it switch. I saw another planet behind it, and then it turned red. Look, see, here we go again. 2. Michael!
Her phone went dead.
Tell Michael to come here, please. Thank you so much for this.
What room is he in?
In the last room, at the end of the hall on the right. Now it's covered up again. This is some really scary shit, people. The clouds have covered it down. See a little light behind it. Oh my Jesus, the moon turned red, people, red. I can see the clouds, something moving behind it. Damn it, this is scary. I'll come right back.